Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cracking open a new module. We're going to explore exactly how to turn anti-gravity AI into an elite 24/7 programming assistant for your algorithmic trading journey. Think of anti-gravity AI not just as a text generator, but as an on-demand junior developer sitting right next to you. When you're building an entire trading bot from scratch, which is exactly what we are executing in this course, you don't need to spend hours scouring outdated forums or fighting with dense API documentation when you hit a syntax wall. Need to instantly pull a CSV file using pandas or map out an exponential moving average calculation? Instead of breaking your momentum, you can offload that heavy lifting to anti-gravity, letting it generate functional prototypes in seconds while you focus on high-level strategy design. Look, if you feed the AI a vague line like, "How do I process data in Python?" you're getting a generic, useless textbook answer. Instead, you need to anchor your environment. Look at the shift when you specify, using Python 3.10 and pandas, how do I remove duplicate rows from a data frame containing your USD tick data? The same rule applies to your execution framework. If you just type out, "make me a trading script," you're begging for broken code that doesn't fit your platform. Flip that into a professional script request. Show me an example of a Python function using the MetaTrader 5 package to execute a market. Buy order for EUR USD with a fixed 15 pip stop loss. By giving anti-gravity the exact libraries, asset classes, and hard risk metrics, you get flawless deployable modules on the first try. Let's see how this handles our indicators next. To get flawless code out of anti-gravity, you must practice precision prompt engineering. There are 4 rules to follow. Provide exact context, explicitly mention your language versions and frameworks like Python 3.8 and the MetaTrader 5 API. Request concrete examples. Don't just ask for theory. Explicitly ask for structured functions. Deconstruct complex systems. Don't ask for a complete bot all at once. Break your bot down into isolated modules, data ingestion, indicator calculation, and execution. Iterate and refine. Treat the first output as a draft. Review it, look for bugs, and feed the errors directly back to anti-gravity to optimize the script. Beyond writing baseline code, anti-gravity shines brightest during debugging and code optimization. When your script throws a cryptic type error, unsupported operand type, you can paste the error stack trace straight into the model. It will immediately diagnose the issue, like an accidental string-to-integer operation, and offer the exact typecasting fix. Even better if you have a custom indicator function that's lagging during high-frequency data streams. You can pass your script to anti-gravity and ask it to refactor the code using vectorized operations via NumPy or pandas, eliminating slow Python loops entirely. But let's establish some non-negotiable ground rules. While anti-gravity is immensely powerful, it is a pattern-matching system, not a perfect trader. Of course, validate and sandbox everything. Never deploy anti-gravity generated code directly onto a live server without rigorous testing inside your MT5 demo sandbox. Second, guard your security. Never, under any circumstances, paste your actual broker account numbers, private API keys, or personal credentials into an AI prompt. Keep your environment clean, safe, and confidential. Think of this tool as an accelerant for your workflow. In our next session, we're going to put this theory into practice. We will sit down, open our IDEs, and walk step by step through generating a flawless Bollinger Bands technical indicator pipeline using anti-gravity prompting. Make sure your workspaces are set up. Keep your focus sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.